Good morning. Today I will be showing you guys just a quick reference video on how to open Social Studies Weekly, okay? So that way if we are on distance learning or whatnot, you know where you can access your newspaper if you cannot find it. First thing you need to do is log into LaunchPad. Once you've logged into LaunchPad, bring up BPS Studies Weekly. You might have to add this on your LaunchPad if it's not already on there. Once you click on that, it will bring up the website. Now the website, you're going to see all of the grades, and they are up there in both English and Spanish. So you need to scroll down. 5th grade is on the bottom, and you want to click on the second one, unless if you're wanting to use the Spanish one. Once you click on 5th grade, come on, there we go. It will bring up the weekly issues. From here, you are just going to choose whichever week we're working on, okay? So if it's week 1, you click on week 1, and it will load all the articles. This is the cover article, and then each of the articles that are inside, okay? I hope that this has been found helpful. If you need anything else, please let me know.